Low failure SF9020 automatic pallet leg assembly machine boost your pallet output. Auto feeding plus stable famous brand components, low failure rate. Flexible adjustable block quantity, support 2-5 pallet legs per beam, switch parameters on touch screen in 1 minute without molding replacement. Synchronous multi-gun nailing, uniform and solid pallet legs. 1 meter 3 blocks, 300 pieces H. High precision position sensors auto-detect material positioning, avoid empty nailing, save nails and wood raw material waste. Cut labor costs by over 60% versus full manual nailing, lower reject rates, greatly reduce wood and nail raw material losses. CE and ISO certified, 1-year warranty for whole machines and core components, lifelong online technical support. Welcome to factory testing.